For the holidays this year, we're making an eggnog cheesecake with an eggnog whipped cream. To get started on making our eggnog cheesecake, we have to make our crust. So we're gonna use graham cracker crumble. I have 1.5 cups of graham cracker here, 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm gonna add that to our graham cracker, and 1 stick of melted butter. So I'm gonna add that to make our crust, and I'm gonna mix this together. And we're gonna get all of the butter and the graham cracker together with the sugar so that we can make our crust on the bottom of our pan. So for our pan, we have a 9-inch springform pan that I have wrapped the sides and the bottom with aluminum foil. And we do that because when we bake it, we're gonna make a water bath around it, so that way it insulates the cake. So we have our crust here to spray the bottom of this and the sides. And now we're gonna take our graham cracker mixture and put this on the bottom. And we're going to form this around the entire pan. We need to do the sides and the bottom. It tends to work better with the palm of my hand. You could also, if you have gloves, that could work too. So I just like to press this down, and then what I'm gonna do is use the palm of my hand to kind of work it up the sides. So now that we have our graham cracker crust all ready, we're gonna get started on our filling. So we're gonna start with cream cheese. So we need 24 ounces of cream cheese. So we're gonna add our cream cheese with 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese. If for some reason you can't find mascarpone cheese, you could just do another 8 ounces of regular cream cheese. So next we're gonna add eggnog. So we have 1 cup of eggnog. It's my favorite time of year to use eggnog. I love when eggnog comes to the stores in November. Next we're gonna add sugar, 1 cup of sugar. Next, we're gonna add 5 eggs. Next, we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 3/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. So now that our mixture is ready, I have our springform pan. I'm gonna pour the mixture right in the center. So now that we have our mixture in here, just gonna hit it against the counter so we make sure all the bubbles come to the surface. And then we're gonna put this in a water bath while we're baking it. So I have a pan here that's bigger than my springform. I'm gonna put that right in the center. And then you're gonna pour water around this, about 1.5 inches up the side. So for me, this is gonna be about 4 cups of water. So I'm gonna pour this around there. And now we're gonna put this in the oven at 325 degrees for 2 hours. After 2 hours, I'm gonna turn off the oven and leave it in the oven to cool and to continue baking for another 6 hours. So I've taken our cheesecake out and it is completely cooled and ready for our whipped cream. So I'm gonna take this aluminum foil off, and I'm gonna take the spring. So our cheesecake is ready for our whipped cream. Put that right here. And now we're gonna get started on our whipped cream. So we have 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 a cup of powdered sugar. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of eggnog. We're gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Our whipped cream is ready. We're gonna take our whipped cream right into a piping bag. And we're just gonna pipe whatever you want around your cheesecake. This cheesecake looks ready. It's beautiful, ready to serve. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.